Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope all of you will be fine. Last time we were doing common factors and HCF, and today we will again learn more about HCF, common factors and HCF. So open page number 51, our book. On page 51, question number 1 is find the common factors and HCF of the following sets. Question 1, part A, and you have numbers 9, 12 and 15. 9, 12 and 15. You have to find common factors and then HCF. Okay, dear students, first of all we will write the factors of 9. Factors of 9 is equal to, so which are the factors which tables go? First of all you write 1 and then 3 and then 9. 1 9 is a 9, 3 9 is a 3 3 is a 9. And then you have 12. Factors of 12 is equal to 1 always, then 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12, and then 12 1 are 12. And then we have factors of 15. Factors of 15. Again, 1 15 is a 15, 3 5 is a 15, 5 3 is a 15, and 15 1 is a 15. These are the factors of these numbers. Now you have to find common factors. CF. Common factors. Which are common factors? You can see that 1 is here, and then 3. Okay? These are the common factors. 1 and 3. Now you have to find highest common factor. Highest common factor is equal to this one, 3. And this is your answer. Okay? Now you have part B. In part B, you have 5, 25 and 35. 5, 25 and 35. Okay? Same process, you have to write factors of 5. Factors of 5. So 1 5 is 5 and 5 1 is 5. There are just two factors. And then you have to write factors of 25. 125 is 25, 5 5 is 25, and 25 1 is 25. These are the factors, and then you have 35. So 1 is always, and then 5 7 is 35, 7 5 is 35, and 35 1 is 35. These are the factors of this number. Now you have to write common factors. You will look the common factors. 1, and then you have 5. Okay, these are the common factors. 1 and 5. And now you have to write highest common factor, mean HCF is equal to, this one is highest common factor. And same You have question number 1 part C, 18, 20 and 24. C, 18, 20 and 24. 20 and 24. Same process also here. Factors of 18. 18. You have to write back factors of 18. 1 18 is the 18s. 2 9s are 18s. 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18. 9 2s are 18. And 18 1s are 18. Okay. Next we have factors of 20. 1 20s are 20. 2 10s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Then 10 2s are 20. And then 21s are 20. Next, you have 24. Factors of 24. 1 24 are 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. And 24 1s are 24. These are the factors, and now you have to look the common factors. CF, which one is common? 1, 2, and okay, just there are two common factors, 1 and 2. Highest common factor will be 2, and this is your answer. Okay, dear students, very easy way to solve this question. Part D, E and F you will do yourself. Okay. Next one, question number 2. Question 2. The statement is, are these statements are true or false? If the statement is true, you have to write T. If the statement is false, you have to write false. Okay? A. 5 is factor of 30. A. You have to write answer true or false. I will check there. Factors of 30. Of 30, you know that 130 are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, and 10 3s are 30, 15 3s are 15 2s are 30, and last one is 31s are 30. Here the question is, 5 is factor of 30. Mean 5 is present here? Yes. This. It means the statement is true. 5 is a factor of 30. You have to write T. This is true. Next B. 1, 3 and 4 are only the common factors of 12 and 24. You have to write factors of 12 and 24. factors of 12. 1, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12, 6 1 are 12, 1 are 12. Now you have to write factors of 24. 1 24 are 24, 2 12 are 24, 3 8 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4 are 24, 8 3 are 24, 12 2 are 24 and 24 1 are 24. Now you have to check. He said that 1, 3 and 4 are only common factor. You are right. Common factors. Which one is common? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these are common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the common factors. But in the question, in the statement, he said 1, 3 and 4 are the only. He said just 1, 3 and 4. There are also other numbers. So it means that this statement is false. Next C. C is 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. We have to check. 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. We have to write factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to, and then factors of 18. 1 12 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, 6 2 are 12 and 12 1 are 12. And here 1 18 is 18, 2 9 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18 and 18 1 are 18. Now you have to write common factors. 1, 2, 3 and then 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Which one is highest common factor? 6. HCF is 6. But in the question, in the statement, he said that 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 18. Means this is wrong. False. D. The highest common factor of 10 and 20 is 10. So we will check here. Factors of 10 and 20. Factors of 10 and then factors of 20 and then common factor and then highest common factor. Factors of 10. 1 times are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 10 1s are 10. And then we have factors of 20. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20 and 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20 and 20 1s are 20. First of all we write common factors. This one, this one, this one and that one. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Highest common factor is this one. Highest, greatest number is 10. So this is our answer. In the statement, he said the highest common factors of 10 and 20 is 10. Means it's true. This is true. Okay. Now you have part E. In part E, he said 6 is the factor of 9. 6 is a factor of 9. So we will write factors of 9. Factors of 9 is equal to 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. These are the factors. He says 6 is the factor. 6 is not here, so we will say it is false, wrong. Last and final. 9 is not a factor of 99. First of all, we write the factors of 99. Factors of 99. So 199s are 99, 333s are 99, 911s are 99, 11 9s are 99, 33s are 99 and 99s are 1s are 99. He said that 9 is not a factor. Is the 9 here? He said 9 is not there. So mean it's false. Okay, dear students. Next, you have question number 3. In question number 3, you have to find the co-prime numbers. Next topic is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Okay, question 3. So what are the co-prime numbers? Let's see example. There are two numbers 2 and 3. We have to find the factors of 2. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. And then we have factors of 3, 1 and 3. Common factors. Just there is one common factor. 1. So there is definition of co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have only 1 as their common factors are called co-prime numbers. They have just only one common number. These are called co-prime number. Co-prime number. Okay, dear students, if they have just only one common number, they are called co-prime number. If they have more than one, they are not co-prime number. Let's start our question. Question number 3. Question 3 is, look at these numbers, look at these pairs of numbers, circle the pairs that are co-prime number. Question A, part A, 4 and 8. A, 4 and 8. We have to do rough work here. Factors are 4. Of 4 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 8 is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 8. Common factor 1, 2, 4. 1, 2 and 4. Here you can see that there are more than one co-prime number. You will leave it, you will not circle this one because these are not co-prime numbers. Okay. Next you have B, 2 and 10. B, 2 and 10. You have to check there. Factors of 2, 1, 2. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. You can see that common factor, 1 and 2. These are also more than 1. Okay, these are also not co-prime number. You will not circle this one. Next you have C. You have to circle which are co-prime numbers. C is 5 and 9. 5 and 9. You again find factors of 5. 1 5 is 5, 5 1 is 5, and then you have 9. 1, 3, 9. Which one is common? This one is common, and there is no other one common. So just there is one common factor, so you have to circle this one. Mean these are co-prime number. They have just one common number. D. In D you have 2 and 17. 2 and 17. So again you will check there. And 17. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. Factors of 17, 1. There is another table which go 17, so 1 17 is 17, or 17 1 is 17. There also one common factor, 1. So you can see that this also one common factor. You will circle this one. And these are also co-prime number. Okay? E. Five and 10. 5 and 10. You will check there. Factors of 5, 1 and 5, and factors of 10. Is equal to 1, 2, 5 and 10. You can see that these are common factors. These are more than 1. So these are not co-prime number, and you will not circle this one. Last and final part, F, 14 and 4. 14 and 4. So you will find the factors of 14 and 4. Factors of 14. 14, 1, 2, 7 are 14, 7 plus are 14, 14 1 are 14. And then you have 4. 1 4 are 4, 2 2 are 4, 4 1 are 4. Which one is common? 1 is common, 2 is common. So there are also more than 1. you will not circle this one. Okay, dear students. Now you have your homework. Your homework is question number 1, part A, B, C I did, and you have to do part D, E and F. Question 1, book page 51, part D, E and F. D, E and F. This is your homework. I hope you have understand. Okay, dear students. Have a nice time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.